Hello everyone, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and to subscribe and even share with your friends. So today I'm going to be making an Italian chicken and mushroom pasta. These are the ingredients. However, I'll be posting the amounts per each ingredient on the next slide. Thank you so much. So let's go. So now I'm going to cut my chicken breast into cubes and also chop my parsley, which I'm going to use for garnishing. And this time I'm just going to throw it into the pot like this. So this dish is only going to take me something like 15 minutes to make. It's not a very difficult dish to make. It's a very simple and healthy dish. Okay, so this is my chicken breast. I seasoned it using this Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, and salt. Just that. So now I have removed the chicken from the pot and I have added my 2 tablespoons of butter. This is the chicken. So I'm about to cook mushroom and onions. So first I add my onions into my pot. So now my mushroom is cooked. I cooked this for about 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add, this is red wine vinegar. And my chicken broth. Chicken.